Welcome to Biozone channel. So in this session we'll discuss Kranz Anatomy. So in the last session I have told you about C4 pathway, and the C4 plants are very special, and this is the diagrammatic representation of Kranz Anatomy, which is not mentioned in NCERT textbook. So C4 plants are very special because they have special type of leaf anatomy. So that we call as what? Kranz Anatomy. Kranz means wreath or border, and these plants, that is sugarcane, maize, are the best examples for C4 plants. They tolerate high temperature, and they also tolerate, or they show response to high light intensities, and they lack a process called photorespiration that I will discuss in the next session. And these plants have greater productivity of biomass. So you have studied in ecosystem productivity, the rate of biomass production by the plants during photosynthesis is called as productivity. So these C4 plants have higher productivity of biomass compared to C3 plants. So these are the special characteristic features of C4 plants. Let us discuss the internal structure of C4 leaves with this diagram. So this is the anatomy of C4 leaf. It may be sugarcane or it may be maize plant leaf. So you are observing upper epidermis and lower epidermis. In between upper and lower epidermis, you will see the presence of a tissue, that is ground tissue, called as mesophyll. So this is the mesophyll tissue, and the cells, mesophyll cells, they contain chloroplastids, and these are the chloroplastids of mesophyll cells. And in the last session I had told you about C4 pathway. So two cells, mesophyll cells and bundle sheath cells, diagram is given in the textbook. So these are the mesophyll cell and these are the bundle sheath cells, mesophyll cell and bundle sheath cells. And the pathways, that is C3 as well as C4 pathway, occurs in these plants, C4 plants. In a bundle sheath cell, C3 pathway occurs, whereas in mesophyll cells, C4 pathway takes place. And in this ground tissue, you are observing the bundle sheath cells. So these are the bundle sheath cells in which larger number of chloroplastids are present, and these are the chloroplastids, and these are the bundle sheath cells which are going to cover the vascular tissues, that is vascular bundle. So these are the vascular tissue, xylem and phloem, which are surrounded by bundle sheath cells, in which what happens, the reactions, C3 reactions or dark reactions are going to occur. So that in detail we have discussed in the last session in C4 pathway. The C4 acids undergoes decarboxylation, because of which they loses one carbon dioxide molecule that will enter into Calvin cycle, and the C3 acid again transported into mesophyll cells. So just you recall these points. So mesophyll cell and bundle sheath cells. So in these cells the reactions or the fixation of carbon dioxide takes